Hi, welcome to another video from Belly Dance with Tahira series. Today we will be dealing with a movement which is called pelvic drop. And it works more or less the same as a hip drop, but we of course change the body part with which we will be working. But to have an idea about what is going on within this movement, you can also think about a hip drop. But firstly, let's talk about how to lift and drop without the accent our pelvis, and then we will try to add the accent. So today we stand in our basic belly dance position, feet are parallel, knees bent, pelvis is a little bit tucked in, so watch out for your tailbone. Belly is long, chest is open, neck is long, and the arms are in a nice stretch to the sides. And maybe I will try to show you from the side. What we want to do is work with our pelvis up and down, or a better description will be in and down, in and down, in and down. And the first impression is that this is very easy, but you have to remember about a couple of things, or mostly one thing, that almost everything stays relaxed. So the glutes are relaxed, the belly is relaxed, there is no tension, no accents in those muscles. You work only with your pelvis. So you can think either with your bones here, yes, with your hip bones, or with your tailbone. So the hip bones will go up this way and come back to our basic position. Watch out for the back, so don't exaggerate, just come back to the basic position. So the hip bones go up and back, up and back, up and back, up and back. Or you can think with your tailbone, which will be more tucked in than usual. So you tuck it more under your belly, let's say, yes, under your upper body, and come back. Tuck in, come back. Tuck in, come back. So the glutes are relaxed, the belly is relaxed with no accent. If you do something like this, you will have an accent up, and you don't want to have this. Just nice, relaxed work with your pelvis. Up and down, up and down. Remember about your knees, they have to be bent in order to allow pelvis to do this movement. And relax, up and down, 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 up and down. For now, no accents, only smooth work of your pelvis. Up, down, 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 up and down. And now if you want to add an accent, it will work, as I said in the beginning, more or less like a hip drop. So up, we have this nice smooth work, up, and then you drop. You can either relax, so we'll have a little accent, just hop to the up and relax. Lift and relax. Lift and relax. And if you want to have a stronger accent, you have to put strength in this movement. So lift and then not only relax, but also push your pelvis down. Track, up, track, up, track, up, track. Remember about your tailbone. Watch out for this movement. If you do something like this, it can be bad for your backbone. So watch out. Lift and come back to the basic position. Track, lift, track, lift, track, lift, track, lift, accent, lift, accent, relaxed way, accent, relaxed, accent, relaxed movement, accent. And then we have down, 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 and accent, 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 accent. Drop, 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 drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is the way to work with your pelvis, lifting it and dropping down, and also doing a movement which is called a pelvic drop. So if you like this episode and you've managed to do a pelvic drop, give me a thumb up and hit that subscribe button down below so you won't miss next videos from Belly Dance with Tahira series. And if you have any questions or doubts about this movement, leave a comment below and I will answer and try to explain how to do this movement in a proper way. And if you are interested in more advanced combos and variations of movements, and also if you are interested in history, language, psychology, culture, all Oriental dance related, feel free to check out my Tahira Belly Dance Diary series, of course here on my YouTube channel. I encourage you also to follow my social media accounts, my Instagram and Facebook account, where I post a lot of things connected with my daily Oriental dance life. And I also invite you to join me here next week for the next basic movement in Oriental dance. Thank you very much for your time and I hope to see you soon. Bye!